Hello, today we're going to take a look at the Galveston by Levoluxe. This is a beautiful unit here. This here is the single chair, but it is also available with what would be a left and a right. So both left and right can come out. Obviously the sofa, a little bit bigger. Obviously this, I would call this an oversized chair because it's massive. I technically could probably get 2 people on there if you really wanted to. Some of the awesome features about this unit right here. First of all, it's in an Arctic Chelsea fabric. And this is a beautiful soft fabric, has a nice texture to it. So it's not like a flat fabric, has some texture to it. It's in a light gray color. I mean, the biggest feature, of course, it is not the 3 toss pillows. It's obviously this electric sliding feature. So right on the inside here, there's a button that what that does is it starts to move that out. So that slides right out. You can see maybe you can or can't. I'm sliding towards you right now. It's a total of 26 inches depth when in, 43 when it's fully extended. So once that's out, sliding out, oh my God, sit back, plug your phone in with the USB and the USB-C charger, whatever works. And now, oh my God, I could sit here, watch TV, relax, read a book. Oh my God, can you imagine get sucked into your life and never turn away from this thing again? This is the Galveston by Levoluxe. Get yours today. Absolutely stunning.